Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Splice app. Splice video editor and maker app. You will go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of Splice, and you will click here in this page. Then this window of app unfold. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you